HP 17.3-inch FHD Laptop, Intel Core i3-N305. This laptop features a clamshell-only design, without ability to convert itself into a tablet. The 17.3-inch screen diagonal means the laptop's display is a large one in comparison to screens of the most laptops. Performance. This notebook provides a basic computing power. It can be used for the daily home and office tasks, but operation won't be as smooth as on the mid-range or high-performance laptops. On the positive side, entry-level laptops tend to be very power efficient. Read more about performance of the laptop in the CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage sections. The 8GB RAM size is the standard one in 2023. It provides comfortable multitasking for the most home and office users. 256 GB is a decent capacity. If you tend to download and store a lot of large files like movies and install many programs, 512 GB or more is a better choice. Processor. The Core i3-N305 is an entry-level laptop CPU. It's a stripped-down version of the lower mid-range Core i3U series. In most day-to-day computing scenarios, the performance difference won't be very noticeable. The i3 in general doesn't perform as fast as the Core i5 and i7, especially P and H series, but that's noticeable mostly in more demanding tasks like multimedia creation. Graphics. The entry-level processors by Intel, such as the N series, Celeron, and Pentium, usually feature the UHD series graphics. It is a very basic graphics processing unit, suitable only for the lightest PC games. Depending on the processor model, performance of the included UHD graphics may vary slightly. Keyboard and input. Keyboard with dedicated number pad. There's a separate numeric pad located on the right side of the keyboard. The left and right click buttons are built into the surface of the touchpad, as opposed to separate physical buttons. Bluetooth/USB ports. This laptop has a built-in Bluetooth module. It enables you to wirelessly connect the computer to Bluetooth peripherals like Bluetooth mice and keyboards, as well as to smartphones and other compatible devices. 1x USB-C, a compact type of USB port, commonly found in modern laptops and phones. 2x USB Type-A, a pair of full-size USB ports. Battery. The battery capacity of the typical mid-tier laptop ranges from 40 to 50, where the battery life varies depending on usage, settings, and other factors. Weight 4.6 pounds, height 0.8 inch, width 15.8, depth 10.2. Windows version. Windows 11 Home is aimed at the regular home and office computer users. Only select business users need the Professional Edition. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you've been enjoying the content so far, if you want to watch this type of video, so don't wait, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and become an integral part of our YouTube family. Thanks for subscribe and welcome to the family.